Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are off to Fast Road Conversions, finally getting the exhaust rattle fixed. I feel like we're far enough through the pandemic now that fixing my exhaust is viable for me anyway. And I know a lot of garages and stuff are starting to open for tunes, so it must be the right time. So we're heading there now. They are based in Ashford. If you guys are interested in their services, basically it looks like, one, they're really good welders from what I can see, and secondly they basically can convert cars. If you're looking to do massive projects or anything like that, these guys may be the ones to go to. Obviously I haven't been there yet, I've only ever spoken to them over the phone, so hopefully once we get there I can have a little look around and give you a bit more of an idea of what they actually do. But yeah, I'm excited to finally get the rattle gone. It sounds awful from the outside, and it sounds bad from the inside when you got the window down, so it's going to be good. But yeah, super quick job, really easy to do apparently, hopefully in and out in seconds. This is actually quite a cool little industrial estate. Basically, you drive down into it and it's like almost a huge hangar, and then off of the hangar is like little workshops, as you can see. So yeah, we're here. He's just finishing off something and then we're going to get on the ramp, and hopefully you can whack this exhaust out really quick. But as you can see, they do, they're manufacturers of power speed exhausts. So basically I guess they can do like custom fabrication and anything like that. So if you want anything exhaust wise, this could be the place to come. First impressions are pretty cool. Like, it's all really nice and clean inside. It doesn't look like an absolute mess. So, and they've got a little table. Oh my god, the Canon zoom is too much. Little table with biscuits. That's cute, isn't it? So yeah, if you guys want to come, Fast Road Conversions, they're the ones. So we're under the car now, and that is the noise that we've been hearing. It's unreal. So, she's all done. Huge shout out to Fast Road Conversions. I mean, I literally was in there like 2 minutes. They've actually welded all of the exhaust. The lighting's so bad. They've welded the whole exhaust, and by that I mean like every exhaust hanger, because the Milltek exhausts only have a small little tack holding it on. It's hard to explain, but obviously you'll see in the footage. But yeah, so they've basically gone across every exhaust hanger and just quickly basically added to that tack weld that Milltek put on. It's a little bit disappointing from Milltek that they don't fully weld it. I'm still a big fan of Milltek exhausts. But yeah, so she's all good. She's all ready to go. She's nicely welded. She's clean. There's no rattle. She sounds great. It's just all good times. It's just all good times. So anyway, as I was saying earlier, once again, Fast Road Conversions in the description. Also, their stuff's going to appear here in my hand. Yeah, the guy was a legend. Really cool. Anyway, as I was saying earlier, I'm going to heat wrap my crossover pipe. So I'm going to heat wrap that, and basically I'm going to work from the turbo backwards. Depending on how much wrap I've actually got is how much I actually get done. I got 5 meters worth. I was told that it could make it, so we're going to try and make it. So you're going to heat wrap that, test intake temps from both, hopefully on the same ambient temperature day. I'm also thinking about getting a different cat and basically doing a comparison between a sports cat and a D cat, and basically just doing 2 dyno runs. So the plan is the heat wrap video and kind of statistics and science and data on that, potentially a D-cat video and showing you a dyno before and a dyno after, and basically switching them out on the same day. So hopefully that's the closest comparison you can get, and whether a D-cat is worth it or not, or simply it's just for noise. Compared to a sports cat, obviously a D-cat is cheaper, so that is a big selling point for a lot of people that don't have much money. So there's that, and then finally There may be a custom map being done by WG Motorworks potentially, so we will see about that obviously slightly more into the future. I have spoke to Warren and basically said that let's just let the pandemic kind of calm down just a little bit more before we spend all this time filming at his place, because it's not fair on him personally. I don't feel like it's fair on him spending loads and loads of time around him. So yeah, that's that. I've got nothing else to say. So yeah, if you guys are interested in fast road conversions, once again, they're in Ashford. They're down this road, all the way down there. Here she is. Big shout out to Autobeam, big shout out to DC3D Designs, big shout out to Cal's Customs UK. And I don't think there's anyone else who got a shout out, is there? And obviously WG Motorworks for keeping this car as nice as she is, and helping me with all my little questions that I have. But thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe down below. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see. I am planning on keeping this car. One thing I haven't mentioned, and for you guys that have stuck around listening to me ramble, I am planning on getting bucket seats, but I need to work out kind of how to do it, because I don't want to get a full cage personally. It's a lot of work, so I need to work out basically how you attach harnesses to some kind of bar in the back, and where I can get that bar from and how much this is all going to cost. But that's the plan. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.